It's been quite a ride since our inception back in 2019, primarily focused on creating service videos for technicians. Initially, these videos revolved around part replacement that we integrate into our flat rate chart. However, when the pandemic hit and our training department had to pivot, we saw an opportunity to offer more. In 2021, seizing that chance, we officially formed our virtual productions department. Since then, we've been on an incredible trajectory, churning out over 500 individual videos. You can catch them all on the Lippert YouTube channel or access them through our support site. Our content scope has broadened significantly, extending beyond mere part replacement to encompass more intricate instructions. But that's not all. We've also rolled out over 30 webinars, accessible through our learning management system, LearnUpon. Now, I am thrilled to introduce Charlie and Emily, our esteemed technical instructors. They'll be your guides for the remainder of this tour, showcasing some of the most captivating aspects of what we have to offer. Charlie, Emily, over to you.
Thanks for the introduction, Nick, and I'm glad to take you along for this tour. Charlie, you want to get us started?
Heck yeah. Since our humble beginnings, we have expanded not only our footprint, but also our technical capabilities. Included in the studio is our interactive TV that helps deliver detailed information using a 3D model.
Not only do we have the interactive TV that helps enhance how we display information to you, but we have designed our entire studio to suit the needs of every filming project we produce. One of those things is our custom track on our wall that we have designed, and it allows us to change the set for every project. But that's just the beginning. We also have an innovative teleprompter system and a custom lighting and mounting system for our studio. In one corner of this room, we also have our voiceover booth. This is where we isolate and enhance the sounds of the videos you watch. But our vision and team has grown over the years, and we now have 2 studio rooms.
Let's take a look at Studio A and see how we work with our big work table. So what we're using here is a overhead camera on top of the work table that will allow us to see down inside the product and actually see the parts. All of these tools and techniques add to the recording and presentation of our technical videos.
When our vision outgrows the space we have in each studio, we have to move out to this larger area, which is our work bay. This is where we will film on larger mock-ups or even on a full-size travel trailer. In this area, you will also find our larger videoing equipment, like this custom scaffolding that we use to obtain a higher angle, which will lift our camera and our team member to video things like replacing a roof vent. Out here, we build everything custom for our filming projects.
The unique training necessary to teach the inner workings of an RV to students prompts the need for interactive mock-ups. Let's take a look. Inside the Furrion RV, I have a completely autonomous AC and DC electrical mock-up that includes everything that a normal RV has, only in a box. This is completely autonomous, and I can teach everything inside the box instead of looking underneath the oven and that type of thing. And back here we have a really cool mock-up that has the anti-lock braking system that Emily built. It's a completely working mock-up that shows the brakes braking in different circumstances.